Today I'm going to show you how to verify DNS resolution in the host. So in this case, on this Ubuntu Docker down here, Ubuntu Docker guest. So if you haven't watched the first video about about how to configure the DNS mask, I would suggest that you watch it first so that you would know how to configure this DNS server here. But basically the situation now is we have the binding of the IP address and IP addresses of R1 and R2 and the fully qualified names of these routers. You know what, I'm just gonna show it to you here. So this is how you verify on the DNS server the binding of the fully qualified names and the IP addresses. So it should be cat etc hosts. Here, this is the IP address of R1.10. This is the fully qualified name, and this is the short name. And this is, of course, the IP address of R2.11, and this is the fully qualified name and the short name. So it is DNS server is already configured, and actually prior to this video I verified that R1 can ping R2 and vice versa, and if I ping R2 from R1, if I ping R2 from R1, DNS resolution is working, and it's being done by this server here, which is the DNS, the local DNS server. So DNS is working on both R1 and R2, and actually I think also in the IP address. So that works. I'm gonna go to R2 and ping R1, and it should work also. So in this video we're gonna focus on verifying DNS resolution on the host. So in this case, this Ubuntu Docker here. So I'm gonna, I already verified the resolution. The interface configuration, but I'm gonna show it again. So I have this procedure here that you can follow to verify or to check the static IP address, netmask or subnet mask, gateway, and the DNS server IP that is configured on the Ethernet 0 on that host by doing these commands. So basically you just have to I'm going to copy and paste that command. So here, this is the static IP address, and this is the netmask /24, and this is the gateway. This is the IP address of the NetClouds, and this is how you configure the DNS server. In this case, this IP address, which is 192.168.122.100. So what these commands mean is that when the interface comes up and the yeah, the interface comes up. The this command here, or this setting here, will be redirected to this directory. So of course the port has come up, so the DNS server should be in this directory already. So we can verify it by doing that command. So here, same DNS server IP address. So that's this command here. So yeah, step 2, verify if DNS resolution is working by doing the following commands. So basically, that's the R2 IP address. So NS lookup is not working, or is not supported on this Ubuntu Docker container. So yeah, it's not working, and dig is not working either. So I mean, these commands are what you can use to verify that DNS is working, but they are not supported. So we're gonna use host, this host. So here I'm gonna do host R1, and you see that the resolution is working properly, because we see that the equivalent IP address of R1 is this IP address. And we can also do this, show I think this is what they call reverse DNS resolution. So it's gonna show the host name, or the domain name, or fully qualified name, so which is in this case r1.lab. And I can also ping r1, so it should work. And I can also ping the fully qualified name. It should also work. I mean, yeah, it's working. And I can also check the IP address of R2 if I wanted to, by doing that command. You see that this is the IP address of R2, and I can do the reverse, which is that command. And I can also ping R2, same command. It's working. And I can also ping the domain name, or fully qualified name. It should work. Yeah, it's working. Alright, so that's it. I mean, that's how you can verify DNS resolution on the host, in this case Ubuntu Docker container. So yep, that's it in this video. Thanks for watching.